In the Rococo opera of Forex folly, where EA's vow eternal bull runs yet deliver bear hugs of bankruptcy, I've been the beleaguered baritone crooning praises to the EA Black Dragon V17.0 MT4 on my ENEXS account for months. And confound it, the beast has ballooned my balance to plus 102% with the insouciance of a dragon hoarding doubloons. A Telegram troubadour even toasted it as the EA that breathes fire on fiat fools, and after its droll dance through drawdowns, I'm obliged to orate this burlesque ballad of its brilliance. Hark to my review of this scaly scalper supreme. Ah, the zip folder for the EA Black Dragon V 7.0 MT4 debauches with the decorum of a dragon's yawn. A mere right-click and extract here disgorges the EX4 file, set file, and a manual succinct as a sonnet. I conveyed the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, moored the EA Black Dragon V 7.0 MT4 to US30's H1 horizon, summoned the set file, and it exhaled trades instantaneously. No histrionics, no hoarding DLLs, just the poise of promptitude. Peruse MyFX book, as one might a mountebank's manifesto, and behold the EA Black Dragon V 7.0 MT4's plus 102.87%. Gain gamble on NX since January 2022, inflating $10,000 deposits into $112,875 balance with $102,875 profit. No withdrawals lest we tempt the taxman. Daily 0.17% whimsy, monthly 13.94% whims, equity curve a sardonic spiral satirizing the straight lines of salary slaves. Profitability at 87%, whence 5,932 of 6,818. Trades victorious 2,463 longs, 3,469 shorts in this farcical folio. Average win 15.98 pips, $48.26. Losses lambasted to negative 42.97 pips, $71.67 by the EA Black Dragon. V17.0 MT4's rye stops, and trailing that trims tails like a barber's bad day. Profit factor 1.75, a puckish payback, yielding $1.75 per dollar doled. Expectancy minus 4 pips per $14.98 on duds, but buoyant from boons. Sharp 0.07 for serene surges that sneer at Sigma. Z-score 99% scorning serendipity. Drawdown 44.08% max relative. Absolute 1.02%. Risk of ruin 0.4%. It capered through July 23's just under 10% jeopardy. Net pips minus 2,639.6 or 6,818 jigs. Commissions $0 on my exchange. Holds averaging 19 hours 53 minutes for H1 hijinks. This year's review, up 137%. Forecast a chaste $3.8 million by 2035. After years as manual trading's motley fool, the EA Black Dragon VC's 7.0 MT4s like a mocking minion, hedging the hoax, alchemizing anarchy to avarice's anthem. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part with a curtsy. The EA Black Dragon Vices 7.0 MT4 on 913,000 ticks from September 2025 begat $7,000 net on $10,000 start, 87% win rate, drawdown 27% relative. Profit factor 1.75. A dress rehearsal rivaling Live's lugubrious levity. Thus quote the coda on the EA Black Dragon VIA 7.0 MT4. A ribald rogue of returns after the endless encore. Acquire this audacious artifact from our website. The description doth delineate and deliver directly. Beseech our Telegram cabal for codas and core agenda too. Link below. Trade with a twinkle.